Alright, last box. Hot in off the press. FedEx special, delivered at 6 o'clock. Ew, popcorn, I hate this. Messy. You sent me popcorn. I don't like popcorn. It tastes horrible too. Too much plastic taste to it. I'm gonna buy a seat. What is this? Oh yeah, I did buy a seat. I forgot about that. I actually did buy a seat. Mustang, old one. Solo seat universal. It's got a 1-year warranty on it. They probably made this back in the 80s, so I wonder if that warranty's still good. Is Mustang even around still anymore? That's the next question. I'm not even sure about that. Good to be careful with the knife when you're doing seats. Seats and knives don't go together very well. Alright, let's see. Get the part without hurting anything. There's the other half of that one. Tapes come off in quick jerks. Okay, there you go. I got a little bit of a bucket shape to it. Kind of reminds you of an old K model seat, Sportster seat. A little bit. So this mounts on your standard rigid frame, little tongue piece up in the front. And not sure what mounting system I have here. Looks like it's about the correct size for the mounting on a spring set. So there you go. Al Simon's Company, that's who made Mustang seats, I guess. Connecticut. Town Hill Road, Connecticut, Terryville. Part number 7, dip. That's kind of a weird number. Brand new. Undamaged. That'll help save your butt on a rigid frame a little bit. So there you go. I don't think it sits on a rigid. I think it fits on a regular swing arm bike because of the shape of it's not enough for a rigid. Rigid wouldn't have this lip back here. I think this one's for a swing arm bike, but it's universal in nature. You put anything you want to put on, but it's kind of semi-flat. The rigid frame would be mounted like that. So, like I said, if you had it on springs, it'd be fine. If you're going to solid mount it, it'd be a little different. Feel good and cushy. Alright, there you go. Nice old original seat. Good for an old chopper. Alright, that's it for that one.